Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Roblox no internet connection error. Okay, so if you want to fix the Roblox no internet connection error, just watch this video step by step. Let me walk you through exactly how it is done. Okay, so we're going to go over to Roblox right now. Let me exit this right here, and basically what we're going to do is that if you want to fix the no internet connection error on Roblox, there are a few things you can actually do to actually fix it, right? So the first things first is that you want to make sure that the fault is actually coming from So you want to make sure that the fault is actually coming from Roblox and not your end, right? Because sometimes they do have problems. So you want to check is Roblox. You want to come to your browser. So if you're using an Android, you use your Chrome or something. If you're using an iOS, you can use your Safari. Just come here and type in is Roblox down, all right? And yes, click on this downdetector.com. Yes, and as you can see right here, as of today, sure there are reports here and there, but then there has not been any serious problem on Roblox, right? So the problem is not from them. They are not having any server issue, right? So they are not having any server issue. So if that's the case, there are a few things we can actually do to actually fix the network issue. So we're going to come over to settings on our phone, and there are two things we're going to do inside of settings that will actually solve the problem. So on settings right here, and then the first thing you want to do is that you want to come to your date and time. Let me just type it here. So you just go over to your settings and look for where your date and time is located. So for me, I'm actually searching for it right now. Yes, so as you can see, date and time, click on it. All right, so click on it again. I'm just looking for where my date and time is. So basically what's going to happen is that I want to set mine to automatic auto set time, right? It's auto set time. You want to make sure that yours is automatically set, because sometimes this thing can actually affect the internet connection on your browser, right, or on Roblox, right? So it can affect your internet connection. So you want to make sure that your date and time are set correctly, right, which is super important, right? So if you've done this and you are still having problem, you can go over to the next thing, which is to go to your Roblox app inside your settings, right? Remember I told you there are two things we are going to do. So we are going to go to where your apps are located on your settings. For me, it's under app management. So if you're using an iOS, just go to where it is. If you're using an Android, so come here and then go to where it says app list. Okay, click on app list and then your apps will come up. So I'm going to look for Roblox right now. I'm going to look for Roblox. Yeah, Roblox. So I've seen Roblox. I'll click on it. So what's going to happen is that I'm just going to come to where it says storage and cache. Now on your iOS, you're going to go to where it said upload, right? So you're going to go to where it says upload app, right? That's where you want to go to. So I'm going to click on it here and then I'm going to clear cache. So you see it says here cache is about 400 and something MB. Click on clear cache right here. So on your iOS, you just offload the app, right? So you can offload it, right? This is the thing you can do, and then you can actually turn on your data and then try again. Now there's also another thing you can actually do, right? So you're going to come down to your menu where you have these other features and all of that. So you want to put your phone on flight mode. Very important. So put your phone on flight mode. All right, as you can see, put it on flight mode so to disconnect your Wi-Fi and then your cellular data, right? And then you want to connect it back, right? So sometimes you might have network issues, right, which is one of the most important ones and big reasons why you'll be having this kind of error on Roblox. So you want to make sure that you turn on your flight mode and then turn it off back, right? So that way it will reconnect and then you can now go over to Roblox, right, to go and try Roblox again and you see if it's going to work. Right, so as you can see, it's loading. Guys, don't forget, if you get any value, don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so yes, as you can see, it's open. So this is how to fix the internet connection problem you have on Roblox. So do well to like the video if you got any value, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video.